So, good morning everyone, welcome to my channel Study Idea. So, you can check here that Physics Wala is there, Unacademy is there, most of the apps is there, Kriti is there, Studio Code is there, Virtual, Dropbox AI, Anydex, Flipkart, many of them are there. So, today I am going to say to you how you can install these all apps. First, you can open Microsoft Store. If you will search PW Physics Bala, so here you can't get any app of PW. Let's see, you can check if it is there, then we can get at first. So now second option is to go to your Chrome browser. Now search for PW. The first link you have to click. After that you have to go to, you can check here that here the PW is installed, so we are changing our user. Now search for PW link, open the link. Now you have to go to three dot of the browser, click. After that there is cast media, something is there, cast media there is. After open that, after that install app. After that you will get that the name and the app. You can cancel it also, you can install it also. So we are going to install this app have been installed. So simply go back, you can check that there is two PW apps. Now this is our original app and this we have installed. You can log in, register, you can take class from here also. Now we are going to say you that this is of Chrome browser. Now how we can install in Edge browser, Microsoft Edge. Open it. After that, after opening, search for PW. Same process in what we have done in Google. Same. Open the link, go to three dot. Now here you will get more tools. Open more tools. After that you will get apps. Open app and install this as app. Install it. The app will be installed. They will ask for pin to start, pin to taskbar. You no need to do that. Simply cross it. Close. Now you will go to, when you will go to start, you can check recently added. Now you can drag and drop to your desktop as I have done. Now you will get there is three. So first two that I am showing, that is Chrome browser, and last is Edge. Like and subscribe for more video. Subscribe my channel. I will try to make another video on this. Thank you.